Love the flavor of cabbage and apples? I have just the thing. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week we get together in the kitchen and we explore different recipes and flavors using real food and supplements to support you on your own health journey. Today we're going to be making apple walnut cabbage. In a large pot or skillet over a medium heat, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of either olive oil or avocado oil, and we're going to heat it up until it is hot but not smoking. To your hot oil, let's go ahead and add up your sliced cabbage, 1/2 cup of sliced up onion, and then sprinkle with 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Saute until your onions and cabbage begin to soften, about 6 to 8 minutes. And now we're ready to add in just a little bit of sweetness. I have 1/4 cup of fresh apple juice that I just juiced from 1 apple, and a little bit of sour. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, along with 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Stir together and continue to cook until most of the liquid is cooked out and your cabbage reaches your desired softness, anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. When you're ready to serve up your cabbage, top with 1 chopped up apple and 1/2 cup of chopped up walnuts. Okay, we're ready to give this apple walnut cabbage a taste. I can't wait. That is so much fun. I love the flavors going on here. So I love just a little bit of sweetness from the apple and the apple juice that we cooked the cabbage in. I love the spiciness of the cayenne. That's just me. If you don't like that much spiciness, don't add as much cayenne. And then I also love the vinegars in there because they add just a little bit of a sour taste in there. So it's a little sweet and a little sour. You got the crunch from the walnuts and the apples. If you like cooked apples, I'm not really a big fan, and that's why I didn't cook mine. But you're always welcome to add your apples in and just cook them up with the cabbage and the onions, and it would be awesome that way too. This is so much fun, so delicious, and it's really easy to make. I hope you give this one a try. Thanks so much for being with me today. Hey, have a great week, and be sure to join me next week for another recipe in the kitchen. Until then, take great care. Bye-bye.